Hi everybody, this is Johnny. Let's do some counting together. We'll need something to count, and we'll need a cat. How many dots do you see? How many altogether? Let's organize them to see what we have. Let's put these together over here. Maybe these together here. And these are all friends here. These could be friends over here. And these two over here. Let's see what we have now. Take a look. What do you see? How many are here? How many are here? How many are here? And how many are here? And then how many are all together? Let's organize them a little differently. Let's put them together like this. Got a couple of these and one of these. Looks like we're going to have a lot of these. Look how many of these we have. Wow. A couple of these. Another one of these. Let's see, a couple more of these. A couple of these. Another one of these. Let's see how much we have now. Take a look. How many are here? How many are here? How many are here? How many are here? And here? And how many here? And how many all together? What if we gave some friends like this? These two got friends like that. And what if these both got friends like this? And what if these just like to be by themselves? And then what if, oh, look at that. Let's just make these friends. There's a pair. There's a pair. There's a pair. And there's a pair. Let's look and see what we have now. How many here? 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 And here. And then, how many down here? And this one, and this one. So how many up together, all together up here? How many down below? And then how many all together now? Let's try something else here. What if we made friends like this? Those are friends. Let's see. These will be friends. These will be friends as well. What else can we make? Oh, these will be friends. And these will be friends. And let's do one more of these. And these will be friends. And we can partner these up down here. And those will be good. Let's see what we have now. How many here? How many here? How many here? And here? How many here? How many here? How many here? And don't forget these down here. How many all together? What if we did a little trading now? Let's do a bit of trading like that. Maybe these like to be friends. Maybe these like to be friends. And these like to be friends. And up here, maybe these like to be friends. And these like to be friends. And what about these? And what do we have left? What about these all as friends down here? What do we have now? How many here? 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 And how many here? And how many all together? What if we used some of them in order? What if we started like this? We like those in order. See if we can do that again. Yeah, looks like we can make another one of these. And we'll leave those in order. Let's see what we have now. How many here? How many here? How many here and here? How many here? How many here? How many here and here? How many altogether? Let's try something else with order. What if we took this one away and we put one of these at the end and there? Let's do the same thing here. Put one of these there and that. And now we'll make these friends and we'll make all of these friends down here too. Look at what that is, and let's put them together. How many are here? How many are here? How many are here? And how many here? And how many all together? What if we put these all together like this and gave it a friend? And what if we put all of these together and left them by their lonesome? And what if we put a good number of these together like that? And we'll take these other ones down here and see what we have. Let's see. Need to bring this one down here. This one will be friends, and these will be friends as well. How many here? How many here? How many? And how many here and here? It might help if we think about these being together, right? How many all together? What if we took this one and made it the start of a train, and we joined these onto the train? How many are here now? Let's make it a bit longer. Let's take all of these and join on the end. How many do we have up here now? And let's not forget all of these. Let's join this last bit of train on to the front end of the train. Look what we have now. How many dots are there all together? I bet the cat knows. Do you?